Yeah, welcome back, guys. So we're gonna start looking at Fieldset and Legend. Now, this is gonna be very interesting. Um, let's get rid of all these guys. So, Fieldset and Legend is a way a form element that you can use to kind of provide a visual grouping to visually group different form elements together. So let's say usually the way the work is you can have field sets, right? Next you're going to have legend, as you can see. So legend, um, now field set is the grouping itself. So field set provides some sort of container. Legend is like gives you a label for the container. So let's say this is personal information, and then we save it. And then personal information can include first name. So we're gonna say input. Input is gonna be a type of text. And then we say, you know what? Let's put a label for first name. So we call this first name. Actually, it's first, not fist. And then we did the same for last name. So we say last name. So I'll call this last, and then we save it. You see? So you see, you get this. Now this boundary here is the field set, and then the label that says personal information is the legend, right? So you can have another field set that will have, let's say, contact information. So we have it here. We call this contact information, and then we call this email address. Email. So we'll just say email address, and then call this phone number. So we say phone, and then we say phone number. Good. Now we take a look. So we have another grouping. So you have personal information, we have contact information, email address, and phone number. So this is a way to kind of like provide some visual and also semantic grouping for your forms, for different elements in your forms. You can see it helps even the user to, now this is particularly helpful when you have a form that contains a large amount of data. So user can use this to track which sections have been filled and which sections are still pending. So yeah, you can immediately see how useful that this can be when you have a form that contains lots and lots of information, lots of data. All right, that's field set and legend. So let's quickly look at text area. So text area is just an input field that allows you to have multiple lines. So we have text area, and then just like that. So you see, it says form code injected by blah blah blah. However, this guy here. Okay, so basically it's a sort of an input element that allows you to type, and you can enter different paragraphs.